Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to your Craftify AI account so you can start creating crafts and send them directly wherever you need them to go automatically. So let's go ahead. You're going to start off by going into your settings, scroll down to business settings and choose integrations here. And you're going to see Zapier here as an option to integrate. Now we're going to go ahead and click connect. Boop, there we go. And we've got an API key connected here. Now you're going to need to log into your Zapier account. Let's go here. Got our Zapier account logged in. And you're going to come down to app connections. Now, you're not going to see them here. You're going to choose apps here. And you'll see that we have right here Craftify AI as a connection. Now, what we need to do is add this connection here. So choose add connection. And here you're going to paste in that API key that we've created earlier in your account. So I'm going to go say yes, continue. And here we go. Now we have a new connection to that Craftify AI account. So we can start creating zaps easily with Zapier. So just to show you how we can go ahead and create a zap, just to show you where you'll start to see Craftify AI here. We can choose the trigger section here and go ahead and go down to your apps. We'll search for Craftify. There we are. And from there, you can choose what are you going to do? You're going to create the new craft. Which account is it connected to? Go ahead and click continue. You'll choose the type. Are you going to do an Instagram post, a new email? If you're familiar with Zapier, you already know what you're doing, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to set up Craftify AI into your Zapier account so you can start automating everything that you do in Craftify AI. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Happy crafting!